Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to use the clear formatting option on your presentation in WPS Office presentation, and more or less it's so useful to everyone, and how to use this option. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the clear formatting option on your WPS presentation? It is more important tool that you want to know. So here I just having a more formatting option like a highlighter, textile, dot other more. So I just don't want it. So you just don't want to go to the highlighter and change the color. Instead of that, you just select this, and you will find this on home too. And here you can see the option. It's called clear formatting. Just click this. Automatically it will goes to the original text. Just select all and click on the clear formatting. It will goes to the original text, because this is the text when I typed. I just increase the text size and also the style. I just going to have a random customization here. So I just increase the size, and also applying the bold, highlighter, underline, giving the shadow and changing the colors. So I done everything. Okay, now I just want to change everything to normal. So just selected this and click on the clear formatting, so it goes to the normal. So by this option you can use and clear the formatting of any text that you don't want on your document easily, instead of doing a lot of other things. So try this option and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below, because it's an important video, and I think this video helped you a lot. So if you want more content about WPS presentation, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.